Well, I think go ahead and begin kind of organizing the garage a little bit, because this, and you know, just getting ready in general to tear the Mustang down. Probably gonna pull the differential to re-gear it. Drive shaft is pretty much gonna get an entirely new one almost, or fully rebuilt or something like that. Transmission's coming out to get built. Engine's coming out to get some more chassis work done. Do a lot of nitpick fixes and stuff everywhere. Also, got Hydro Boost unit from Second Shift Racing. Gotta do a lot, so. I think it's great that they have a no scrub. I'm still gonna scrub it. That's wild. Because yeah, wheel weights fell off. Or slung off from the track. Like if I take off hood, fenders, wheels, pull an engine, transmission, and all that good stuff, I'm gonna need my engine hoist there. And under this guy, there's a special little transmission jack that I've got. I'll need that guy. Access to my shelves. I'll need access to the welding equipment. I will need definitely all my workbench to be cleared, for sure. It would be nice if this was less of a pile. You know what it was for? Yeah, that comes in handy. There's a bunch of stuff I don't need. There's gonna be a lot of stuff, like old stuff, like these old turn signals. Well, I don't need those. Of course, we've got the solution for that, so. We got plenty of room now. We can walk around the front. We can work on the side. Because we're gonna be doing a lot to this car. So now we'll have plenty of room. I'll have plenty of room to remove the fenders, remove the hood, remove the transmission, the engine, lay it out right all out in this area. Differential, drive shaft, exhaust, all the miscellaneousness will. That's why I kept all these boxes right here so that I can kind of keep things organized. So like when I take apart like the headlight assembly, I got all the little parts, and then I can use Ziploc bags to hold all the fasteners, and then kind of group them together in those boxes, kind of as like stages to the teardown. Keep things organized, keep things straight, so that when we go many weeks and a couple of months, you know, down the road, we can just grab a box, say, hey, this is all the headlight stuff, all the fender stuff, all the air intakes. Here's the bell housing fasteners. Be quite organized. Got like a big pack of Sharpies that I have laying around, you know, so if I ever need to label something, I can scribble. So, yep, I think we'll just call it a day for now.